Hello again, Andy with Handy Andy Handyman, Handy Andy On Demand. Welcome back to a project run through. And so this is a project in a neighborhood up in Town Lake, Woodstock, that we've just done so much work up here. And this is an existing client who just recently bought this house. They had some inspection repairs, and you know, when we do a lot of those bids, we'll just bid what we see from the ground. And so when we bid the job originally, we knew there was some rot in this soffit right here, and we knew that the gutter was sectionalized right here. So we had them in there to replace that piece. But what we didn't know in this corner, you can see the guys that started ripping shingles away, is that a tree limb hit this thing at one point in time, and you can see a couple pieces of flashing down here. This is what these guys do. It's hard for homeowners to get contractors that A, know what they're doing, and B, that you can actually trust to get the work done with. It drives us crazy. So you can see in this corner right here, they're gonna have to repair the fascia board here is rotted through. And so somebody came through here and a tree limb hit these shingles. You can't see it now because our guys took them down. But then rather than fix the rotted decking, look, I put my finger right through here. This is a problem with OSB decking. And so the same thing with the valley. They got some paper in there, but the tree limb hit it and somebody stepped in it. You can see the tear up here. So for the last probably 5 or 6 years, this whole area has been taking water inside the attic. You're not really gonna see it, but it's rotted the decking. All this flashing has to be removed and then put back the right way. So the guys are trying to get that in before the weather sets in here, so they'll get that repair done today. But this is the challenge, you know, when you're getting up above ground level, you almost have to get up on a ladder and see what your contractors are doing. This has gone on for a while. See my hand right here? See my hand pushing through? So OSB, which is what this is really strong until it gets wet. So you'd think that they wouldn't allow roofers to use this on roofs, but they do. It meets code. So you'll see where they ran this flashing through. Whoever did this work, all this has to be removed, and the guys will put it back the right way. I'm Andy. My brother and I have been running this company for 25, 26 years now in Atlanta. The work that we come across, it's amazing the stuff that gets done out here. This house was recently painted. See that line right there? They never caulked it. Stucco houses are great, but they take an extra level of care. So you want everything caulked and sealed. This homeowner can save this siding over here. If they come back and hand paint the house and caulk every nail head, they'll be in great shape. So there's tons of stuff to be done on these houses. We got a team of 30. We're all over the place doing this stuff. You can reach us at 770-912-2829. I'm Andy. See you at the next house. Bye for now.